How to create Among Us account. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create Among Us account. So let's get started with the video. The first step is to go ahead and launch your Among Us application. If you haven't downloaded the app, then you can easily download it from your App Store or your Play Store. Now right here you have to tap on I understand. Then it will ask you to join in using your Google. And you can also continue with your Apple ID. I'm going to use my Apple ID here. Tap on continue. Now it will ask you for your Face ID or passcode. Now what you want to do is go ahead and verify your age from here. Then select your day, month and the year of your birth. Once you are done, then simply tap on submit. Then click on yes. Now once you are verified, tap on the sign in bubble right here. And just like that, you have signed in into your account. The next step is to create your friend code. For that, you can just go ahead and tap on this refresh icon. You will need your friend code to invite other friends to join in your Among Us journey. Once you have selected your friend code, tap on confirm. And now you can go ahead and play Among Us with your friends or with the public as well. So that is how you can create Among Us account. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.